Okay, we're here at 2626 South Bedford Street here in Los Angeles. Now, we're here to check the main sewer line. We obviously cannot check every pipe in the house. You'll have your general inspector crawl underneath the house. He's physically going to look at everything. We're here to check the main line, and this inspection is based on my opinion. So I can tell you that we're running our camera from this 4-inch clean out. Good.
I'm Ben. Nice to meet you.
How do you do? So we're running the camera from this 4-inch clean out at the back of the house over here. And we have our camera all the way in, all the way to the city connection in the street. There's the city sewer there. Now, there's also like a little ADU here that's not really a permitted structure, but we ran the water over there and confirmed that it is connected to the sewer line. So right now we have our camera in the line and we're all the way out to the city connection. There's the city sewer right there. So I'm going to bring the camera back. There's your connection to the city. As we come back, looks like an older 6-inch concrete pipe that appears to be in pretty fair condition. Remember, this is all based on my opinion. It looks like it's in pretty fair condition. As we come back from the middle of the street towards the property, now the sewer line is pretty much running right next to that very big tree in the front. But this all looks pretty good over here. Now you've got a little bit of roots coming in right over here. Right over here at the property line, there's some pretty heavy roots over here. That's at the 4x6 connection. I've located that by the sidewalk, 5.5 feet deep over there. And then what it does, it comes back with a cast iron pipe through the front yard. Now it's pretty much all cast iron piping over here. It appears, it's obviously getting a little old, but it still appears to be in fair condition, I would say. It does have some rust buildup in it. There's no doubt about that. It's not terrible, though. You can see the pipe is obviously getting old, and you'll definitely need some periodic cleaning. Now, we're going to recommend that piece, I thought I saw a little bit of roots coming through the cast iron pipe, very minor little roots. So technically speaking, it wouldn't be a bad idea to replace it, but it is functioning, and you could run a cable with a blade through here and descale it, but the pipe is getting old. Now, if the inspector goes under the house and he says that everything's leaking, well, obviously that's a different story altogether, and then it should definitely be replaced. Because it definitely is old, the pipe, but it's definitely functioning. You should never flush tampons, baby wipes, paper towels, things like that. We definitely want to recommend that that piece at the property line be replaced and a clean out installed over there with those heavy roots getting in. Because just in case that tree grows there, we want to have somewhere good to clean the line. So as we come out here, remember we're looking at the inside of the pipe. We cannot see the outside of the pipe. So it's important to see what the general inspector says about the piping underneath the house. We're going to go ahead and pause the recording. Okay, so running the camera from the roof vent here by the little ADU, that's not really a legal bathroom. It goes into a sewer ejector pump, which is located outside the back door near the clean out that we originally ran the camera from. There's the tank. You can see there's the tank. And it's all working pretty good. It's flushing very well. It's all ABS plastic all the way up to that point. So it's actually functioning very well. So the cast iron piping underneath the house, definitely make sure the general inspector checks it. It's obviously getting old. It's probably may need replacement in the near future. You could definitely run a cable with a blade to descale the pipe. I would definitely recommend the pipe at the property line be repaired and a clean out installed over there. And that's all based on my opinion. As we come up the roof vent over here in the little guest house, ADU at the back. And here we are on top of the roof. We'll stop the recording over here.